Hello everyone, grab the sides of your hair, tie it in the middle and do the twisted pattern one time. Then with the remaining hair, tie a ponytail and extend 2 more ponytails from it. And have a loop in the top part and make the twisted band, make it go upwards and make the end to go into the first rubber band and secure it. Move it to the top and secure it that with a beautiful hairpin of your choice. Adjust and extend the volume. Have 2 strips of hair in the front and tie a ponytail, and using your finger create a ridge and drop your tail into that ridge. Tighten it up a bit and comb your hair. Then have a rubber in the bottom part and insert that into the ridge we created, forming a bun. Then insert a beautiful hair clip and extend the volume. Make a bunch and move the rubber band a bit downwards and create a space of hair and insert the ends into that. Close the space and secure that in place by having a beautiful fluffy rubber band. Grab the sides of your hair, tie it in the middle with the rubber band and drop it into one more time, making a twist. And with the middle section of the hair, repeat the same again. Do the same with the bottom section of the hair. Once when you complete that, hide the knots using a little hairpins of your choice. Adjust the positions and make it beautiful. Have a bunch and insert a hair loop from right side and make your ponytail go from right to left and make it come down. Then comb it a little bit and secure the end with a rubber band and make it bend down and secure the buns with a lovely hairpin of your choice. Attach it and extend the buns to create a more volume. View the side profile. Make a ponytail and insert a hair loop from top to bottom and make that tail come down, forming a twist. Comb the hair a little bit and form a braid using 3 sections. Fold the braid into half after extending them and covering the ridge. Then insert a beautiful hair clip of your choice and extend the buns a little bit to create more volume. View the side profile, guys. Grab the sides of your hair and tie it in the middle and make the twisted band 2 times. Attach 2 rubber bands and in the middle part create a bun and insert the tips inside. Make it go on the top by using a large hairpin and secure its position. Have another rubber band on the top of your bunch and create a ridge and drop your hair into that, forming a shape. Secure that shape in place by using another rubber band and make the twist go around and hide it using a hair clutcher. View the side profile. Grab the sides of your hair, tie it in the middle with the rubber band, do the same with the bottom and have another rubber band, create a rift in the middle and insert the tips inside and move the position to the top and have a beautiful hair clutcher and insert it carefully, then extend the hair for a volume. Grab your bunch and twist it all the way and make it swirl into the clockwise manner, hide the tips beneath the bun and choose a hairband which looks like a clumsy hair and tie it around. Make 2 strips of hair in the front and a 1 bunch at the back. Then on the bunch, have another rubber band and create a bun in the middle and make it move to the top. Then attach a beautiful hair clip of your choice. Make 2 strips of hair in the front and create a ridge in between the ponytail and make the tail go entirely into that but have some protruding out and attach a beautiful hair clutcher. Or you can go for stuffing it entirely inside and hiding it with the hair and then attach your hair clip. Thank you guys for watching this video.